all non-essential construction, like the apartment building behind me, has come to a halt. And while construction is expected to bounce back a little more quickly than some other industries, there could be some long-term pain because of the down economy.
We've lost that we're aware of, that's been brought to our attention, about 18 members that, a couple months ago were hardworking laborers, and now, their families are grieving.
Chaz Rinkevich says on top of that pain, about 80% of job sites using Local 79 labor are out of work. He believes resuming work safely is achievable because workers are highly trained and the industry is highly regulated.
Our members have a voice on the job as union members. They're not going to be bullied into any type of unsafe behavior. We're social distancing and we're wearing the proper PPE. And, we've had a couple big jobs where we did some emergency work and, there was no infections on those jobs.
Though there are real questions about the future of construction demand. The pandemic has ground the economy to a near halt, and new work from home habits may reduce the need for traditional office space.
We're not expecting a big demand in commercial real estate. We don't expect retail to be growing, so it's easy to put off projects like that.
According to the state, construction accounted for about $84 billion in economic activity in New York City in 2018. That's about 10% of the city's total economic output. Carlos Asuro with the New York Building Congress says there may be a short-term slowdown, but people have counted out New York before and been proven wrong.
Every time you say New York is finished, the office market is dead, no one's going to want to congregate, we always come back to it. It sounds nice to work in your house, but it's really not. You need to be with people.
That being said, everyone we spoke with thinks some shovel-ready stimulus similar to what we saw in 2008, 2009 would be helpful right now.
The industry clearly believes that that government stimulus is critical.
Infrastructure is going to have to be a key.
We have shovel-ready projects here in the New York region, from the MTA to the Port Authority to educational facilities to medical facilities.
So far, across the 4 stimulus bills that Congress has passed and President Trump has signed, they've been hesitant for direct shovel-ready stimulus, instead opting for money directly to workers, small businesses, and the healthcare industry. In Brooklyn, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.